Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So, for the reason ugh, I just woke up, so I'm making this video. Elon Musk is officially accepting Doggy for Tesla. This is why you see this big 25% run from 15, 16 cents all the way up to what was it, 23 cents. He did say though that Tesla will only be accepting Doggy as payment for merchandise. So they actually are not accepting it for what is it called, for Teslas. So you will not be able to buy a Tesla with Doggy. It's only going to be merch. And he says that they are just testing it to see how it goes. So keep in mind that while this is official news, he did say specifically, right? He specifically said in his tweet that that Tesla is, as of right now, testing Doggy payments for just merch to see how it goes, right? So keep in mind that this is official, but it won't officially stay unless there's actually maybe some sort of quota that maybe that he and Tesla think that Doggy should hit before fully accepting Doggy and possibly accepting Doggy for Teslas and other things from his companies. But it's big news. It's really big news. I'm personally staying out of Doggy. I already made what I needed to with Doggy. So, we'll kind of see how everything goes with Doggy from now on. But if you're holding from 15 cents to 23 cents, then cool. I mean, it pumped really nicely. I personally think it should have pumped a little bit more. It only did like 20, as of right now, what is this? 30%. So it really only did, a 30% pump. When did he announce this? So at 3 a.m, that's when he announced it. That's when it started like running hard, or a little bit earlier. He announced this at like 2:30 in the morning. Really, Jesus. But yeah, Tesla officially accepting Doggy for merch, and it's also just they're just testing it. So be careful. Never hurts to just have a small bag of Fool's Insurance for Doggy or just any other meme coin just in case. But we'll see how it goes. See you guys later. Bye bye.